Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Loren again. Today we're going over mattresses, little change from the appliances. This one first, we're going to go over what is a hybrid mattress. So hybrid mattresses are essentially, it's half memory foam and half spring. Now your thickness of the memory foam can vary, but just to give you an example, here's kind of a cutout of one. On the top here you have that supportive memory foam, and then underneath you're going to have your springs. So this is kind of the best of both worlds. It's great for especially couples that like to have different sleep or comfort differences. Someone likes memory foam, someone likes an inner spring mattress. It's kind of the best of both worlds. So most of your hybrids have different thicknesses of memory foam depending on how much you like to kind of absorb into the bed. I do recommend more heavy set people should probably have a thicker memory foam base. That just relieves pressure points, especially if you're a side sleeper for like your shoulder and your hip. Having more memory foam is just more contouring, so you're not getting as much pressure in those joints that kind of stick out. But hybrid mattresses are great, and you still have the springs that offer that support that kind of give you that bounce back. So that's our review, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.